Today we will be cooking chicken Alfredo with penne pasta. Here is a list of the ingredients. 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1/2 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 pound of chicken cut up to 1-inch cubes, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1 box, which is 2 cups of penne pasta. Alright, first of all, you're going to put 4 cups of water with 1 tablespoon of salt, as soon as that comes up to a boil, you're going to add your pasta and cook it for roughly 10 minutes. After about 3 or 4 minutes, you're going to want to stir it. So you're going to wait till it comes to a full boil. Alright, as you can see, it's come up to a boil. You're going to add your pasta. Give it a quick stir and let it cook for 10 minutes.
Okay, just continue on.
Alright, next step, we're going to start by putting your skillet on, getting it up to a high heat, and adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This is roughly going to take about a minute to get up to temp. So now what you're going to do is you're going to add your 1 pound of chicken that's been cut up into 1-inch cubes. And then you're going to season it with salt and pepper. A little bit more salt never hurt nobody. Now you're going to want to let this sit for at least a minute so you get a nice brown color on your chicken. You don't want to keep tossing it and tossing it, because then you won't get that nice brown color on your chicken. You can also tell when the chicken starts to get white on the sides, that means it's cooking. So once you see the white, give it about another minute or so, and then we'll be able to flip it. You can do this, or toss it like that. You want to make sure you keep it on high heat, so that way you get a nice even color on all your chicken. And for those of you who do not like chicken, you can also do the same recipe with shrimp. Cook it the same exact way, except the shrimp, you're only going to cook it for about 2 minutes on each side. That nice brown color is what you're looking for. Alright, so we probably have about another 2 minutes before the chicken is fully cooked. That nice brown color is what you're looking for on the chicken. All Alright, what you can do is cut into a piece of chicken to make sure it's cooked. And that was one of the biggest pieces we had in there, and it's cooked. So at this time, you're going to take it off and transfer it to a plate. Drain the excess oil and lower your heat down to medium. To this, you're going to add your 2 tablespoons of butter. And your 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Now once the butter completely melts, you're going to add your 2 tablespoons of flour. This is going to make a roux. And just completely stir that. So what you're doing is you're making a roux to thicken the sauce. To this, you're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. As soon as they're incorporated, you're going to add your 2 cups of heavy cream. Alright, now to this, you're going to add your 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. And half of your shredded Parmesan cheese, which is a 1/4 cup as well. You're going to save the rest for a garnish. As you can see, we're almost there. You still have just a little bit more of that Parmesan cheese to melt. Alright, as you can see, it's coming up to the nice thickness. Now if you want at this time, go ahead and add the chicken back into the sauce. And go ahead and turn the heat off. Next is we will drain the pasta and plate it up. Folks, so after 10 minutes, the pasta is cooked. You're going to drain it and add it to your sauce. So the remaining Parmesan cheese you're going to take and sprinkle on top. And that's going to be your final product. Alright folks, here's the final product. Now doesn't that look good? If you like what you watched today, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Y'all have a great day.